Tashidalek, and welcome to the fourth session of Geography chapter Manufacturing Industry. In this class, I'm going to discuss about agro-based industry. So now look at the picture and quickly tell me what are these materials made up of. First one is made up of cotton, second one is made up of jute, third one is made up of sugarcane. We have three completely different products, but do you see any similarity between these three products? Yes. The similar thing about these three products is that these three products are made from the materials which are obtained from agriculture, which means these three products share the same source of raw material. So, the industry which have made these three products are agro-based industry. Agro-based industry are those industry which are dependent on agriculture for their raw material to make finished goods. We have variety of agro-based industry in India. Among them, the top three agro-based industry are cotton, jute, and sugar, and major production take place in these three industry. Let me start with the cotton industry. Cotton industry is one of the largest industry as well as it is one of the oldest industry in India. So before the cotton industry was set up, most of the production in ancient India take place at home, and these cotton were produced by a two technique, that is hand spinning technique and hand loom weaving technique. So in early time, the cotton were produced with the help of hand. They don't use any machine or technology was not available at that time. So with the help of hand, they spin the cotton balls and they convert it into a yarn. And further, the yarn is converted into a fabric with the help of weaving or knitting. Once we get a fabric, then cotton clothes were made from there. So, in ancient India, cottons were produced with the help of two techniques, that is hand spinning and hand weaving. Later, in 1854, a drastic change happened. That is, the first cotton textile industry was set up, or the first modern cotton industry was set up in Mumbai, in which the industry was equipped with modern technology for spinning and weaving purpose. The technology for spinning and weaving were introduced in order to accelerate the production, because the cotton which are produced by hand with the help of hand spinning and hand loom weaving techniques take lots of time. So the production was not able to go that much fast. So because of that, technologies were introduced in the cotton industry. Now there are almost like 1,600 cotton and other textile industry in India. India exports raw cotton to USA, UK, Russia, France, Nepal, Singapore, and many more other countries, because Indian cotton are in great demand because of its fine quality. There are lots of countries producing raw cotton, but those raw cottons are of coarse quality. Because of that, there are lots of demand for Indian cotton. Not only India export raw cotton, India also export yarn to Japan. So Japan is one of the largest importer of yarn from India. So now looking at the cotton textile industry, most of the cotton textile industries are mostly located in Maharashtra and Gujarat region. So why most of the cotton textile industries are located here? Why not here? Why here? There must be some reason behind it. Yes. Okay. So the cotton textile industries are mostly located in Maharashtra and Gujarat region because of few reasons. Number one is availability of raw material. So in this area, there is a large scale production of cotton. Because of that, there is a regular supply of raw material to the industry. So most of the industries, cotton industry, are set up there because in this region, a large number of farmers grow cotton in a very large number. At the same time, this region is supported by a black soil, and black soil is perfect or is most suitable for the production of cotton. Second one is Maharashtra and Gujarat is located near the sea. Because of that, they enjoy a humid climate. And the humid climate is suitable for the production of cotton. And this humid climate helps to strengthen the thread of the cotton balls and avoid it breaking it frequently. Third one is Mumbai port. In this area, Maharashtra, there's this important or a major port lies there. And this Mumbai port is very important for the cotton textile industry because with the help of this port, the industry owner used to import and used to export different goods. So they import good quality cotton and they also import advanced machine from other area to their industry. At the same time, with the help of this port, the industry owner export their finished goods to the other area. And fourth one is availability of labor. So Mumbai is one of the largest city in India and there are large number of population. So because of that, there is easy availability of labor. So that's why most of the cotton textile industries are located there. So these are the reasons why modern cotton industries are set up there. Now, third one is importance of cotton textile industry. Cotton textile industry is very important for India because number one, it provides a living to farmer. So a large number of farmers, they go grow cotton for this industry. And because of that, now they are getting an earning or they are earning their living from this by growing cotton. Number two is that cotton textile industry not only provide a living to farmer, it provide a large number of work or job to a large number of people in a different activity. And these activities are ginning, spinning, weaving, dyeing, designing, packaging, and sewing. So ginning is an activity in which the worker have to separate the seed from the cotton ball. And then spinning is an activity in which the raw cotton is transformed into a yarn. And then weaving is an activity in which the worker transform the yarn into a fabric. And dyeing is an activity of coloring the fabric. And designing, making the designing of clothes. And then packaging. Once the clothes are produced, then these are packed. And sewing. So, cotton textile industry provide large number of jobs to a large number of people in a different activity. Third one is that cotton textile industries support other industries like chemical industry, dye industry, mill store industry. It is because the cotton textile industry buy lots of chemical for their production purpose. At the same time, they also buy lots of coloring product from the dye industry, and they also use cotton textile industry also use mill stores. So mill stores are the store which are used. These are the center which are used by the cotton textile industry to store their finished product. And the fourth one is cotton textile industry is important for India because majority of the India export comes from the cotton textile industry. Since majority of export comes from the cotton textile industry, the majority of foreign exchange earning comes from the cotton textile industry. Kaya nanglo la industry mangbo yorwa, hine din nanglo ne nganzu ki chilo la an tangay shtoa export share shtoa mangshu kaon chigore cotton textile industry ni chigor. Chilo la khazo manga tangna nganzu la dini earning manga ra yorwa. Din duwa la cotton textile industry ki foreign exchange mangbo chi earn chigor. Din duwa la digi nganzu gegab la pien toor. So that's why cotton textile industry is important. Even though cotton textile industry are blooming or it's getting advanced day by day, but still there are lots of challenges faced by Indian cotton textile industry. Number one is low production per hectare. According to the land size, they are not able to produce in a very large number. Production per hectare means hectare means it is a 2.4 acre. We are talking about the size of land 2.4 acre. Second problem faced by the Indian cotton textile industry is problem of frequently switch off power. The power are getting switched off frequently Because of that, the machine were disrupted or disturbed and were not able to produce the goods. Okay, third one is most of the Indian cotton textile industry have lots of spinning technology and weaving technology. But if we compare these two technology, spinning technologies are more and weaving technology are less. So there are lots of cotton textile industry in which they use the earlier machine which are used for weaving. So the traditional machine were used for weaving. Because of that, they are not able to produce in a very large number. So that is one of the main problem. And fourth one is high cost of Indian cotton. The cost of the Indian cotton is of high because it is of good quality. When the Indian cotton enter into the other market or when it enter into the other country's market, they are faced with a competition because in the foreign market there are cotton available there, but those cottons are of low cost. Because of that, there's a huge competition between them. And the last one is low output of labor. Labor are not able to produce cotton according to their ability or their potential. So these are the problems faced by the cotton industry nowadays.